gas, gas, gas.
Gas, a fluid, such as air, that has neither fixed shape nor volume. Liquid, liquid, liquid.
Liquid is a substance that flows freely, having consistency like water or oil.
Solid, solid, solid.
Solid, firm and stable in shape. Shape, shape, shape. Shape is the external form. For example, I like the shape of your nose. Size, size. Size is how big something is. For example, I can never find anything in my size. Change, change, change. Change makes something or someone different. For example, she decided to change her name. Freeze, freeze, freeze. Freeze is turn or to be turned into ice. For example, in the winter the milk freeze. Melt, melt, melt. Melt is become liquefied by heat. For example, in the summer ice cream melts. Pour, pour, pour. Pour is to make a substance flow from a container. For example, water poured off the roof. Concentrate, concentrate, concentrate. Concentrate is to focus on something. For example, I need to concentrate to solve the problem. Worry, worry, worry. Worry is to feel anxious, nervous or troubled. For example, don't worry, everything will be okay. Materials, materials, materials. Materials are the matter from which things can be made. For example, bring all the materials you need. Science fair, science fair, science fair. Science fair is an exhibition of science projects prepared and presented by school children. For example, I won the science fair first prize. Trust, trust, trust. Trust is to believe in someone or something. For example, I should trust her. She is honest. Magnet, magnet, magnet. Magnet is a material or object that produces a magnetic field. For example, magnets have two poles. Attract, attract, attract. Attract is to pull or draw someone or something towards them. For example, magnets attract metals. Toner fluid, toner fluid, toner fluid. Toner fluid is a thick liquid that has iron particles inside. Thick, thick, thick. Thick is the opposite of thin. For example, I can see a thick tree. That's a warp. That's a warp. That's a warp. That's a warp. It's an expression, means this is it or that's all. Stir, stir, stir. Stir is to cause an especially slight movement or change of position. To try to mix something. For example, I stir the mixture with a spoon. Hypothesis. 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 Hypothesis is an assumption, an idea that is proposed for the sake of argument so that it can be tested to see if it might be true. For example, the other chemists rejected his hypothesis. Experiment. 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 Experiment is to try something in order to discover what it is like or find out more about it. For example, I do a lot of experiments to get knowledge. Data. 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 Data are facts or information. For example, I collected some data about him. Conclusion. 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 Conclusion is the last part of something, its end or result.